Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Tokyo Skytree. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can purchase a ticket using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started. Doesn't matter if you're on your mobile phone or on your PC, it's going to work exactly the same. You're going to click the check button right here in the bottom right corner, and it's going to enable you to select the date that suits you the most that you want to purchase a ticket for. So let's say I want to purchase a ticket for the 7th. You're going to go and select your time slot right here, and once you select the time slot, it's going to enable you to choose how many tickets you want. So you're going to select an adult ticket, a child if you have one, and so on. All the types of tickets are going to be available right here, and once you've done so, click the next button. It's going to take us to this page right here from where we can get started with just choosing new trips that are similar to this one if you want to save money on them as well. If you're not interested, just select no thanks, and it's going to take you to the next page from where you can get started filling out your info. So fill out all your info right here and your phone number, and then click the next option to go to the payment page. From here you can get started with selecting what payment method you want to use: Apple Pay, debit, credit card, or PayPal. So select whichever method suits you the most. Once you select the method, it's going to open up the new menu from where you can get started providing your payment method info, and this is how you can get started by clicking the pay button, confirming all your info, and this is how to get started purchasing those tickets. So make sure to take a look in the description, choose the first link, and you can get started with purchasing your tickets online today to save yourself from the hassle and all the long waits and queues. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.